This is the Meteorite engine that was without a battery. Now with this amount of sun, it is powering all these devices. All these power banks, telephone. The engine is powering it right now. All these electronic appliances, this charging system, powering it comfortably. You can see a lot of power banks. See, so many power banks. Power banks has power like car battery or keke battery or motorcycle battery. But at this moment, the engine is connected directly to the charging system. There are a lot of loads in this place. There are more loads upstairs. But all the loads downstairs at this moment, the engine is powering it without problem, without blinking. It has been on for more than 2 hours now. I just switched on the engine alone. I disconnected the battery. We bought battery so that the battery can be used at night. The battery is not connected to the system now. Only the engine is working. But we can connect the battery so that the sun will be charging the battery. In the night, the battery can be used. So in this way, there is no need of buying fuel again or regularly replacing inverter battery or solar battery or car battery. So the Meteorite solar engine, this tiny engine, if you listen, you can hear the humming. That is the small humming sound the engine can make. That's Meteorite solar engine. You can see the connection, the cable from the engine. This cable goes direct to this extension because it's a standalone system. Then the charging board in the shop is connected to this extension and it powers everything. That is the charging board. Yes, people are charging their phone and their phone can ring early moment. That's why you hear that noise interrupting the video. That is the charging board. Meteorite. This is the new advanced energy solution. The latest solar technology. Many professionals, many electricians, they are not aware of this. And they can never say anything good about it because they don't know about it. They can only talk about what they know. Meteorite, the latest technology in energy solution. This is this thing is carrying this engine is carrying stuff. They are heavy loads really, but the engine is able to power all of them because my client bought a lot of panel, 3,600 watts panel. 3,700 watts panel. One of his television is 87 watts. You know, Meteorite. So at this moment, we are making 100% use of the sun. We are making 100% use of the sun to charge all these devices without having any effect on the batteries he bought. In this way, the battery can last so many years. Meteorite. Now, I'm going to go outside to take video of the panels of the building. That's video of the panels. 20 pieces of 180 watts panel. 120 volts and 180 watts panel. Here are the other 7 panels are connected here. They are covered here by the tree. 7 panels are connected here, and 13 panels are connected in the front.